Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the basics. Update Messenger and sign in because an outdated app can hide options. Once done, make sure notifications are allowed in your phone settings and that sounds and badges are enabled. This lets Messenger control audio. Now open the app, tap your profile avatar at top left, and look for settings. This is where notification controls live. Do this first so the options you change actually take effect, and we can move directly into sound choices. Once in settings, tap notifications and sounds to reveal message alerts. This area centralizes both sound and vibration. You'll see message sounds, tap it, then choose from the list of built-in tones or choose custom to pick an audio file from your device. Make sure you adjust vibration and in-app preview options while you're here. Those change how attention-grabbing notifications are. If you can't find custom, it usually means you need storage permission. So grant that and return to select your custom clip. Finish by saving your selection and exiting settings, then send yourself or a friend a quick test message to confirm the new sound plays. If it doesn't, make sure your device volume is up and Do Not Disturb is off, and verify Messenger has permission to access storage and notifications. If settings still won't apply, restart the phone. If that fails, reinstall Messenger. This refreshes permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling notifications off and on inside the app often forces the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.